Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you all the Maybelline products. So Maybelline have come up with new products in India. So today I'm going to show you the new products, and along with that all the products that I'm going to use, mostly except one product, everything is Maybelline only. And two products, everything is going to be Maybelline. And I love to use Maybelline products. I find like they are very good quality and the price is also reasonable. L'Oreal are a little bit on the higher end, but Maybelline are like around 500, 600, and sometimes if you get discount also 700 rupees thing you will get under 500, or 500 thing you will get from 350 to 450. So if you want to be updated with all the latest launch from Maybelline, then keep on watching. So first, starting with my bare face, I don't have a primer from Maybelline. I'm going to take this Benefit Professional. I hope this is the only product that is not Maybelline. So these are all the products that I am going to show you. Couple of things are new, couple of things are already existing. So for foundation, I'm going to take this Fit Me foundation. It is a little bit darker to my skin tone. This is Toffee Caramel 330. So the only bad part of this foundation is that it does not have a pump. So you can see it is slightly darker than my skin tone. But yeah, we are going to use a concealer, little bit light color concealer, and that is going to brighten up the center portion of my face. So this one I can blend using using my fingers also, using my hand also. But since I have a beauty blender, yeah, this is not from Maybelline. The tools I'm going to use are not from Maybelline. Brushes and all, beauty sponge, I'm not going to use from Maybelline. It's a very beautiful everyday kind of foundation. I'm going to increase the coverage a little bit. I'm going to add some more foundation on the areas where I need, and mostly the center, maybe portion, center of my face where I need, I have to add some more coverage. If you want to increase the coverage of any foundation, don't apply the foundation. Don't use lot of product at one time. First start with a thin layer of the foundation, let it set on your face, then slowly apply one more layer to increase the intensity. See, this is still slightly darker than my skin tone. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the concealer. Now the concealer you can use a Fit Me concealer also, but I'm going to use this one. This is the Maybelline Instant Aging Line Concealer. Next I'm going to set my concealer. For concealer setting, I'm going to use this Fit Me powder, compact powder. Now Fit Me has launched has a loose powder also, which is very good to bake your under eyes. I don't have that powder, it's not launched in India. So what I'm going to do for setting my under eyes, because my under eye creases without powder, if I don't use a powder, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever powder only to set my under eyes. Now to set my whole face, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now if you are applying a foundation, you have to use a powder, because you need to set the cream product, otherwise this cream is going to melt off, or if you touch your skin or face or anything, it is going to come out. Now for brows, I'm going to use this Maybelline New York fashion brow pencil, cream. This is a cream pencil. This has a wax, and you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly finish my brows. So for this you don't have a spoolie, only pencil. So if you want to have nice brows, you need a spoolie like this. So I have a brush which is like a spoolie, having a spoolie. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first comb my brows, and then I'm going to start filling my brows only on the lower portion. Something like this. Whatever extra product you have down, you take this brush and comb it. Next, for my eyes, I'm going to use this new eyeshadow palette. This is the Urban Decay. This is the Maybelline City Mini palette, the City Mini palette Urban Jungle. So I have already reviewed this. This is like okay. Like if you are not so into eye makeup, like perfect eye makeup, then definitely you can use this. So this does not have any crease shade. As you can see, all are glittery and very dark also. I don't have any crease shade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my contour palette. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Palette by Face Studio. So using that contour shade, I'm going to define my crease. So I'm going to take this golden shimmery shade, and using my fingers I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. For my outer corner, I'm going to take little bit of this dark green shadow. Shimmery dark green. This is shimmery, but when you apply, it does not show up the shimmer much, the glitters much. So slowly I'm slightly going to apply it. And so Maybelline has come this kind of gel liner. It is called Hyper Glitz Ink. This one. Let me show you the swatch of this. So I am first opening the very beautiful green one. Oh. This is a very beautiful duochrome shining gel liner, and this is kind of maroon plummy color. This is also a duochrome. As you can see. So these are the two new things I found in Maybelline. I try to pick little of it, and these are highly glittery. I have this one also. This is a gel liner. This is a Maybelline Lasting Drama by Eye Studio. So this I have used from L'Oreal also, and this is a very good one. So, and it comes in a, it does not smudge. Let me open it and show you. It comes, I have the L'Oreal one also. It comes in a small pot like this, and it comes with a brush also. I think the brush is exactly same as the L'Oreal one, and everything it looks same. So what I'm going to do, using this, you can see this is totally new. So I'm going to take this gel liner and make a cat eye. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of the shade. I'm not sure which one to take. I'm going to take this brown shade, and on top of my black liner I'm going to apply this. So it contains very less amount of the product. I think it contains 1.5 gram of the product, and it is 425 rupees. Next I am going to bronze my face. For bronzing my face I am using this Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio. For my nose I'm going to take this Wet n Wild flat brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to take the blush and apply it in the oriflamme of my cheek. Next, for highlighting my face, I'm not using this highlighter that comes with this Master Contour palette. I have a highlighter which is new. I think you guys might be knowing, and I'm obsessed with it. This is the Maybelline Master Comb by Face Studio, and it's in the shade Molten Gold. So I must say you should try out this highlighter. So next I'm going to take the same bronzer and apply it on my lower lash line using a small fluffy brush before using some mascara. So the mascara I'm going to use is this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This is the, this is the best. Like, if you don't know how to use mascara, or you're not sure, or you have some problem with your current mascara, shift it to this. So for my lips I'm going to use this lipstick. This is a new lipstick. This is from Maybelline, and this has a duochrome effect. So I have the shade Molten Bronze, so it has a bronzy plum shade. So I have been wearing for some time. This is quite creamy. This is not matte, and yeah, this is going to transfer also. You know what? I did not like the color. It was, I don't know, the shade was not correct for me. I don't know what is the problem. It was not looking good. So I'm going to wear one more Maybelline lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Vibrant Violet. I've been loving a lot of violet colors, violet, purple colors. This is quite better and quite matte also, not so much creamy like the earlier one. Now if you want to make this shimmery, you can make it. You can use a eyeshadow palette or the highlighter. I am using the highlighter from this palette, and slightly dabbing on my lips. This gives the same effect, but you don't have to buy the shades. You can choose whatever lipstick you want. On top of it you can put some shimmer or highlight or anything, and yeah, your lipstick is ready. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.